Computer 1. Shift key plus arrow key combinations. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify other ways to maximize the use of arrow keys, practice using Shift key together with an arrow key, and recognize the importance of the Shift key. On the road, you've probably seen some traffic signs, including the arrow signs to show directions. In the keyboard, arrows are also used to instruct the computer where to go on a document. Arrow keys are used to navigate around a document. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard: left, right, up, and down. When these keys are combined with Shift key, it gives a different instruction to the computer. Left arrow key. Pressing left arrow key moves the insertion point 1 character to the left. Before pressing left arrow key, after pressing left arrow key, Shift key plus left arrow key. Pressing and holding the Shift key, then pressing left arrow key selects 1 character to the left. Before pressing Shift key plus left arrow key, after pressing Shift key plus left arrow key, right arrow key. Pressing right arrow key moves the insertion point 1 character to the right. Before pressing right arrow key, after pressing right arrow key, Shift key plus right arrow key. Pressing and holding the Shift key, then pressing right arrow key selects 1 character to the right. Before pressing Shift key plus right arrow key, after pressing Shift key plus right arrow key, up arrow key. Pressing up arrow key moves the insertion point 1 line upward. Before pressing up arrow key, after pressing up arrow key, Shift key plus up arrow key. Pressing and holding the Shift key, then pressing up arrow key selects 1 line upward. Before pressing Shift key plus up arrow key, after pressing Shift key plus up arrow key, down arrow key. Pressing down arrow key moves the insertion point one line downward. Before pressing down arrow key, after pressing down arrow key, Shift key plus down arrow key. Pressing and holding the Shift key, then pressing down arrow key selects the current line. Before pressing Shift key plus down arrow key, after pressing Shift key plus down arrow key, practice exercises. Put a check mark if the statement is true and cross out if the statement is false. Number 1. There are 5 arrow keys on the keyboard: left, right, up, down, and diagonal. There are only 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Diagonal is not included. Number 2. After pressing the left arrow key, the insertion point moves 1 character to the left. This statement is correct. Number 3. After pressing the right arrow key, the insertion point moves 1 word to the right. Doing this only moves the insertion point 1 character to the right. Number 4. To select the current line, press Shift key plus down key. This statement is correct. Number 5. Pressing Shift key plus up key selects 1 word upward. Pressing Shift key plus up key selects 1 line upward.